Do you hate chasing hats around the campground? Well, in this video, we'll show you our hack on what to do with your hats. Welcome to our channel, The Montana Style, where we're making camping fun. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and we'll get on with today's video. Another great find at the Dollar Tree are these solar lights. I like to use them to mark our camping spot, so when you run down to the bathroom at dark, you can see where you are. Or you're going down to take a picture by the lake when it's dark over the moon. These are a great find at the Dollar Tree for just $1 a piece. Great to mark your campsite. And one of my great finds at the Dollar Tree this week are these flip-top containers. They come empty. I like to fill them with sunflower seeds, marshmallows, chocolate chips. They're always a great way to store your stuff, anything you like. Then this shaker here, you just fill it with some water and your own pancake mix, shake it up, add your chocolate chips, and there you have a great breakfast. Go ahead and check out down below and download our recipes. We have lots of great recipes and videos. We'd love for you to take a look. Another great Dollar Tree find are bungee cords. This is a great hack I found out from a friend. You go ahead and hang this up, and then you take one of these when you're not using it and wrap it around so it doesn't fly in the wind. Paper towels are always needed at the campground. These fairy lights are a great find. They're hard to find. I haven't seen them at very many Dollar Trees, but I found them this week. You go ahead and put 2 AA batteries in. You can find those at the Dollar Tree as well. And go ahead and put them in your tent and light up your tent real nicely, or hang them along the edge of your table. It's a great find at the Dollar Tree for $1. This black Caddy is a great find. I like to use it camping for all my condiments. I go to my cooler, grab what I need, bring it out to the table, and use it for all my camping condiments. Also, in the morning when your kids are going over to the camp shower, go ahead and put all their soaps in there and have them take it over. It's a great way to carry stuff easily. It's a great find for $1. Some other things we find at the Dollar Tree are snacks. These 6-pack of snacks are a great find there. We also find other things, but for 6 bars, it's a great find for throwing your backpack when you go for a hike. The personal fan is always a good one if you're playing cards in the hot sun. I always like to grab it. Go ahead and grab some more batteries at the Dollar Tree. Along with a 9x13 pan. It has a lot of uses. It comes with a lid for $1. We like to use it to put our hamburgers in after we grill them. Or we could always put our Rice Krispie treats or any other kind of family treat. And now the hack you've all been waiting for, my favorite. The Carabiner hat holder. One of my friends showed me, she had a bunch of these carabiners laying around, but at the Dollar Tree, we get 3 for $1. And who hates chasing the hats around? Everybody's like, where's my hat? Where's my hat? It's on the table, it's in the camper, wherever. Well, we just like to hang a line on the trees and put it on there so everybody knows where their hat is. As soon as they take it off, I tell them, go hang it up, and you always have a great spot to keep your hats. Well, thanks for stopping by this week, and go check out your local Dollar Tree, and I'll see you next week.